Introducing the 2022 Seat Ibiza PA 1.0 TSI 95 horsepower FR 5-door in sleek grey. This hatchback is packed with features to elevate your driving experience, including air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and more. With advanced safety features like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior offers luxury trim, cup holders, and below-seat storage for added convenience. Plus, the privacy glass adds a touch of style. Rest assured with a full, multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer-specified servicing. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.